Normally, we draw multiple profiles in a single sketches, but using the same profile in a single features only. Example, extrude boss or extrude cut. Suppose if I draw multiple profiles now using the same profile to the exact features, just to select the profiles and select the features like an extruded cut. Afterwards, it cuts the whole body. Now I want to create another features, means draw on another profile only. Just to draw on another profile and using this profile to the another features. Example, extruded boss. Okay, suppose if I want to draw a multiple profile, but that multiple profile can be converted into multiple features. In simple, instead of using this kind of operation, select selected contours and using whatever the profiles you need to convert into a solid body or extruded cut, just to select the profiles. Next, create another features with the same profile, means just to show the profile, use a profile with the selected contours. Create another features. This is a simple one but much needed in a design.